Capital requirement. The capital requirement is a bank regulation which sets a framework on how bank and depository must handle their capital. Sa capital requirements refer to the amount of money needed to start or expand a business, finance operation or project, meet regulatory or legal requirements, and cover risks or unexpected expenses. For example, mag-abri ka small business sa online, tapos may nakapundo nga 1,000. And 500, ikakadi mo siya sa pagbuo sa website. So, another na 500, kakadi mo sa ibang gastuson na kailangan. Capital requirements. Regulatory capital. In the Basel I Accord, bank capital has divided into 2 tiers, each with some subdivision. Tier 1, capital. Tier 1 capital, the more important of the two, consists largely of shareholders' equity. This is the amount paid up to originally purchase the stock or shares of the bank, not the amount those shares are currently trading for on the stock exchange. Retained profits subtracting accumulated losses and other qualifiable Tier 1 capital securities. So sa Tier 1 refers to bank core capital consisting of common stock, retained earnings, closed reserves. For example, Bank X has common stock of 100 million. Retained earnings is 50 million. Tapos ang disclosed reserve, 20 million. So, total of 170 million. Tapos may tinatawag nga RWA, risk-weighted asset. Sa risk-weighted asset, may siya sulod nga government loans, 1 million, 0%. Corporate loans, 1 billion, 50%. Individual loans, 800 million, 100%. Other assets, 270 million, 100%. So, ang pag-calculate sa iya, sa government loan na 1 million times ang iya percent. Bali, tikadi sa other asset. So, consider 1 billion times 0% plus 1 billion times 50 plus 800 million times 100 plus 270 million times 100 equal to 3.77 billion. So, magkukuha na kit sa ratio sa Tier 1 capital. So, ang pagkuha sa ratio is an 170 million kasi ito na niya Tier 1 capital. Tapos, ang risk-weight asset is 3.77 billion. Kasi ito na niya dito magpag-cut sa Tier 2. So, 170 million divided by 3.77 billion times 100%. So, ang iya tanan is 7.51%. Kasi ito niya ratio. So, sa Tier 2 naman, several classification of Tier 2 capital which is composed of supplementary capital. In the Basel I Accord, there are revolution reserves, subordinated term debt, preference shares, hybrid instrument, general provisions. So, sa Tier 2 capital, example niya is subordinate debt na 50 million. Tapos, ang hybrid instrument, 20 million. Thus, ang preference share is 30 million. Thus, ang revolution reserves 10 million. Total of 110 million. Mas mao lagi hapon sa year 1 kanina ang pagkuha sa ratio. Di bali may naman kit raised weighted asset na 3.77 billion. So, ang natong kuha na lang yan na is an ratio sa Tier 2 capital. Di bali, 110 million divided by 3.77 billion times 100%. Total of 2.92%. Asya po ito ang iya raise ang ratio niya. Thank you.